My bro is here again. I know, I seen them. Whew. It's the night show, man. Part 2, man. My bro CJ back again.
CJ and Royalty.
You already know. What's up?
Like, man, shit, I'm lucky he followed me. I don't know where he found me from. Shit.
I'm telling you, when your car was green, bro, I used to follow you, bro. I used to follow you, man.
And then I was just looking like, who the hell is this CJ dude? Then I just went to your page and I'm like, oh shit. Then I went on YouTube and I started watching shit. And I'm like, oh.
Do your daughters watch us?
She was asking me yesterday, like, who is that? And I'm like, look up CJ So Cool. So when we got home, she went in her room and started watching on YouTube.
Damn, I was asking Royalty, I was like, I wonder if his daughter watched us before. Man, this shit, I'm definitely buying this. I want you to say on camera, you're gonna sell me this. Don't say the price, but you gonna sell me this, right?
Yeah, I gotta sell the rich man.
All right, man. He said he was gonna sell this to me, y'all. No flexing. I'm buying this shit.
It's in the trunk. I think it's that thing.
I'm buying this shit, y'all. Oh my. Would y'all want me to pull up at home with this? Of course y'all would. Look at the trophies. This man stayed with a trophy in the back, man. He just won another car. Did you win one too?
No.
You didn't go to it?
Yeah, he went, I stole his trophy.
Oh, y'all be competing against each other. Oh yeah. But this, wait, what size is these? They both 32s. What the? Bruh, I've never seen 32s in real life. This the first time I ever seen it. Look at them, man. I got 24s on my Camaro, 24s on my Monte Carlo, and 26s on my Jeep. But don't none of them compare to this, man. These rims so big, you gotta stand back to get the whole rim. Man, this shit lit, and these paint jobs ain't no hoe. These bitches is wet. Guys, in the comment section, y'all know I'm gonna buy it. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. If he was selling it to me right now, I would drive home in this car. But he said I gotta wait to the end of the year till he's done winning all his trophies. What's up, man? We got fan love. They caught us, man. I was trying to hide. What's up, man? What's up, homie? How did you know it was me, man?
Your Snapchat.
Oh, you saw my Snapchat?
Highway. Yeah.
Hey, man, what's your name?
David.
David?
Hey, Miguel right here.
Miguel and David. Y'all live here?
Yeah, I live right there in the apartments across the street.
Oh, so y'all just came up here because
we were at the movies and then we're like, they must be at the movie. They must be here. So when you checked in yesterday with your headphones in,
yeah,
I was there.
Oh,
you look mad. So
I was mad tired though, bro.
I didn't want to disturb you.
I was so sleepy, man. But now I'm up, man. You know, I was the host of Sneak Time today. Exactly. I'm buying that car, bro.
Which one?
This one from my bro. He's gonna sell me this, man. I should go live too, yeah.
If you want to.
I'm going live. You gonna have to talk. Man, them little kids love.
Right.
They dropping tops out here, y'all.
I ain't never seen kids.
Wait, let me give it this. What's up, man?
It's so litty out here, y'all. How come they didn't do this in Florida when we was there? Where was they at?
I'm about to close the door to the tightest car in the world. I always wondered how it was to sit next to the TVs. I just always know that I was always thinking that they would be elbowed, you know, like I don't want to elbow it. It's lit. I can see Royalty bending down. Bro, this shit big as fuck. This is me? All I gotta do is lift the seat up some. Bro, they saying that this is me. They saying it fit me perfect, man.
Yes, follow our bro, CJ on 32s. He's killing the game. Him and his bro is killing it. If y'all come to Vegas, y'all kill it. Y'all will be like, whew.
Yeah, that's you, bro.
Yeah. That shit is so chunky.
I'm feeling like they not lying, y'all. I got the fans over there. I see y'all. Hey. I look good in it? Yeah, man. They say I look good in it. I'm gonna have to get it.
That shit just gliding. If we get this car, man, y'all don't know, y'all don't understand.
Protect Philippe the plane with, that's too much sauce. Hermes in the aim, that's too much sauce. They let me know before I was famous, I had too much sauce. Audemars heel blow now, that's too much sauce.
What if he took off? That's what somebody said? Really?
Yeah,
really,
like,
my nigga?
Like, where he going? He in Chicago, shit. He ain't going too far.
Exactly, in this car.
Hey, they said CJ left, laughing my ass. CJ right here.
How you open the door?
They got pop button. Push this button right here. Y'all want to see how CJ opens the door? Yeah.
I like that. I got pop doors, but I don't got the button in the car. Man,
How you feel, baby?
this shit is
They
tight.
say Roy.
I didn't hear nothing. I don't know what he was talking about. I didn't hear
CJ said
that
I
shit.
can't drive.
Goddamn.
It's something in my trunk.
I just fell out.
Tomorrow we finish me and him.
I didn't hear that shit. Maybe I didn't drive fast enough, but I didn't hear nothing. But that
There's
shit,
something in the trunk, bro.
that shit, Roti, I want this shit right now. What if I just gave you 30,000 right now? Would you just go home with that? Like, bro, this shit.
I gotta ride this for the summer.
Man, I would drive this in the winter.
Watch out,
Vegas
Papa.
never snow. I'm good. See, your winter
Oh, yeah, you
is
can
still
drive
my
this
summer.
all year round.
All my
Oh,
cars
yeah.
got rims on because of that.
Perfect.
Under the hood work, God damn. See, this just make me realize there's a whole nother level to this car shit. You can have a car, and then you can have a car. Okay, this is a car. There's a difference. I got cars at home. I need a car. That's crazy, man. Did you paint under your hood?
No.
See, man, I'm like, man, I don't know I have to do all that. CJ, like, you gotta do it all. If you trying to win, you gotta do everything, right? You trying to win, you gotta do it all, man. You gotta do it all. Brand new socks and drawers. Yes, volleyball game. We winning out here, taking trophies. This is my first trophy, man. I want to give it out to God. He helped me, you know what I'm saying? Give me this motivation. Hey, why just don't say my name on it? No, this is
CJ.
You won that today?
Uh-huh. Best for sure.
Hey, gang.
They should have
Shout out
made
to
this
CJ
bitch
on
32. Ooh, they should have made that.
I got so many.
He won
some of
the car
I got
show
two.
today.
Up here.
Before I moved out of Gary, I got 2 trophies with my old school. One of them bitches was tall as fuck. I was happy as hell.
See, I went to a few car shows out here. Oh man, so I'm glad the highway right there. We can stay on it to go home.
Bro, he just pulled out this freaking Skywalker, man, on 4G autos. What the bro, excuse my language, I know I didn't even curse, but everything in me wants to just curse right now. I'm impressed. This nigga killing it. Wait, CJ, did you pull this Skywalker out at the car show?
Yep.
So this helped you win. They saw this and they was like, oh.
4G's on everything.
Do you ride this shit?
Man, this motherfucking battery dead.
Oh shit.
I ain't never charged.
Don't ever drive this shit, cause if this shit fall, nigga, that's life.
Look how tall this is compared to me,
man,
y'all.
why your fans was talking shit? Man, they put us on.
Man. The height, bruh. I don't even know if I'll be able to get up in this joint. You can say something on here.
We on live now.
Oh, they on live now.
To support my boy CJ and his woman, Royalty. You know how we do.
Yes.
Chicago.
Hey, gang, gang.
Gang.
CJ got some fans over here.
Hey, Royalty.
Hello.
Hey, that's the only CJ y'all see. He making me famous. See, we got the same name.
We were about to pay this $10 and we didn't see any famous people tonight. We were just at the movie. He coming right, but he just parked the car. Oh, he would be mad. Oh, he was like, oh, you
Hey, Royalty and CJ